Good morning, guys. Today we had this 2002 Honda CRV, and it has a P1166 code, which is pertaining to the pre-catalytic converter auto sensor, and we will be using this auto sensor Denso 2349005, and I bought this from Amazon. So let's go underneath the car and change the auto sensor. So guys, I'm gonna show you where is the location of the auto sensor. So we got two, so we'll be replacing the one with the blue wire. That's before the catalytic converter. It has two, but we will be only replacing this. So it has a connection here, and that's pretty much it. Just remove this, and we will be using a special tools. This one is an auto sensor remover. It has like a cut, so we can put the, we can sneak it on the wire, thing like that. Okay. Removing the wire, just press this stub right here, and that's it. Then remove this one, and that's pretty much it. Removing this connector, just press the one in here, press it with your thumb, one sec in here, and then pull it. There you go, right there. And now it's ready to remove. Just use a leverage, a pipe or something. So we can use a pipe. This one, hold on. Can use a pipe. Go. One sec. That's it. Use a pipe to loosen it, and then we can remove the auto sensor like this. And there you go. That's the auto sensor. So now we will be putting the sensor. This is the sensor. It has a anti-seize grease. So just that's the item number 2349005. So we will be putting anti-seize in here, there. That's it. Then now it's ready for installation. Okay, let's put it on. Now let's tighten it, hand tight first, and then after that we will be using our special tools, tighten it, and that's pretty much it. Connect the connector, and that would be it. So that's the new auto sensor. It's been installed already, and then we will reset the code, and that's pretty much it. So now we are going to erase the code. It's a little bit slow. Let's wait for it. Okay, read code. Press OK, then select Honda. It's okay. So still we had a P166 code. Escape. Now erase the code. So as you can see, there's the check engine right there. Now clear the code. I hope you can see them both. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Code is gone. Alright, so that's how you replace an auto sensor for 2002 Honda CRV. So if you have any question, please comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel too. So that's all for today, and bye for now.